human rights legislation unless you're being yelled at because of your race or sex or handicap or one of the human rights grounds.
True or false? If I'm harassed at work, I can sue my employer.
True, but to be sufficient harassment to sue, it has to be something which no reasonable person would be able to put up with. The reality is, some people are thin-skinned and view things as harassment that a court simply won't.
If I've done nothing wrong, I can't be fired.
False. An employee can be fired for no reason at all, or any reason at all. They're only entitled to wrongful dismissal damages if they are.
To contact Levitt Chief, visit levittllp.com. Employment law, Q&A.
From City News 680 and Howard Levitt.
City News Time, 5:51.
Traffic and weather together on the one, brought to you by Sportsnet. Here's Kyle Hawking.
Well, we have this issue on the westbound 401 at Kiel in the Express. A long-standing problem. It's the right lane blocked due to a collision after a pickup truck that was towing a trailer fishtailed here, and they're still working on the cleanup here. Of course, the weather is complicating things. It's pretty heavy from McCowan towards Kiel, Express and Collectors, and you will find in the backup as well, reported approaching Leslie in the Collectors. We had a stalled vehicle in the center lane, but you're sort of crawling beyond that. Just be aware if you're going to be traveling from Toronto out towards the Tri-Cities and beyond towards London. It's always a particularly treacherous stretch of the 401 during winter storms, so just be very careful. Very slow speeds out this way as well. Also, of course, on the eastbound 401 headed toward the GTA. Dealing with a volume that's sort of crawling along from Mississauga Road, alternately Express and Collectors to east of Kennedy as you cross Toronto, and then into Durham region is getting slower. It's slow from Westney to east of Salem. What I mean to say is the weather is getting worse out in the Durham region, which is sort of the last area of the GTA to get that heavier snowfall. From the 680 Traffic Center, Kerry Prunskis.
Watch out for the stalled vehicle on the westbound Gardner. It's west of the DVP, blocking the left lane. Delays, no more delays through this stretch. It gets busy just after this on the westbound Gardner. It jams up approaching Jarvis all the way to the 427. So again, watch out for that issue westbound Gardner, just west of the DVP. The left lane is closed, and there's no backup right now. Westbound on the QEW, really busy from the 427 to Mississauga Road. You get a little bit of a breather, and then it's jammed from Ford Drive all the way into Grimsby. And in that backup on the Fort Erie bound to QEW, on the downside of the Burlington Skyway, lane 3 from the left or the second lane from the right is blocked, and that's due to a stalled vehicle. Looks like OPP are there as well. North Shore ramp to the Fort Erie bound to QEW, that's partially blocked with a stalled vehicle. If you're traveling up the northbound DVP 404, it's busy from Dundas to York Mills and from approaching the 407 to north of Major Mackenzie. And on city streets, Bayview is still closed both ways between Nesbitt and Moore because of a collision. It's NHL trade season. Find out every move the second it happens with the most trusted insiders in the game. Hockey Central Trade Deadline, Friday on Sportsnet. And now with the extended forecast, here's Michelle Nelson.
Thanks, Carrie. Well, visibility is not great as they're getting into that heavy snowfall, some strong winds, current gusts at 70 kilometers per hour. So blowing snow, that's going to be an issue for your commute home. We're now starting to see that snow inch towards the Durham region, starting to get into that now. Visibility not the best even in Oshawa right now, down to about 2.8 kilometers. So starting to see that visibility decline out there. Give yourself some extra time. We're looking at these snowfall rates 2 to 4 centimeters per hour. It's a lot of snowfall all coming down within a very short period of time. The worst of it right now up until about 10 o'clock tonight. 5 to 15 centimeters in total. Those winds strong through tonight, and then some ice pellets and freezing rain mixing in, more likely after midnight. But still unsettled through the overnight hours, and then tomorrow morning the risk for some freezing drizzle, changing to scattered showers as temperatures warm up. Your high tomorrow will be +4. By tomorrow afternoon, we'll see some sunshine, so some sunny breaks through the day in calmer conditions. Then Wednesday, another shot of a rain-snow mix, but not high impact. What could be high impact is a storm we're expecting on Friday with more snow in the forecast. Right now, it's -2 downtown and -3 at Pearson. That snow continues. Your overnight low is 1.
This extended forecast is brought to you by Dynamic 5. How can you minimize inflation risk? Step 1. Talk to a financial advisor. See why advice matters, now more than ever. Visit dynamic.ca/advice to learn more.
Last night, you went out drinking and you did the right thing. You left the car at home. Thank you. But even though you slept, do you think you're okay to drive? If you drank a lot the night before, you could still be intoxicated. Only time, not a cold shower, a hot coffee, or a big meal can lower your blood alcohol concentration. Plan ahead for your night
near Jane and Wetherill Street and asked if he wanted to see his dog. He tried to convince the child to get inside his van. Investigators have now determined that the information reported to police is unfounded, meaning it didn't actually happen. Business is next.
The all-new Princess Margaret Home Lottery is here with an incredible $8.2 million grand prize featuring the King City Show Home, built by Green Park Group. With over 8,000 square feet of living space, this show home boasts a chef-inspired kitchen, a stunning principal suite, a 3-season lanai, and so much more. Awarded with a Tesla Model Y plus $1 million cash. Buy now at princessmargaretlotto.com. Play responsibly. Raffle number 127722.
We might be living with inflation for a while, but overall, it seems to have settled into something more stable. So now is a good time to plan out and balance the rest of your life. Maybe there's something you'd like to get done. It's nice to know a flexi line from Capital Direct can let you do that. Could you use 80,000, 180,000, or even 1.8 million? For your We're here to work for you. Before, during, and after you set up your flexi line. Call Capital Direct. 1-800-NEW-CAPITAL. The business report here.
And Brookfield Asset Management is reportedly in the works to raise as much as $25 billion for their second fund dedicated towards investments in clean energy. That, according to people familiar with the matter, the Canadian-based firm already raised $15 billion for its first global transition fund, and that one is overseen by former Bank of England Governor Mark Carney, among others. And this comes as green-focused investors eye renewable energy, expecting it to be poised to surge amid turmoil in global energy markets, especially after Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Well, the TSX climbed higher by 41 points, 20,260, and Brookfield Management shares and Brookfield Asset ended up falling 0.75%, but didn't do much to undo those gains on Bay Street. Now, oil dropped about 1%, $75.68 U.S. per barrel. While gold futures climbed about $8, $1,825 the ounce, and the Ludi was slightly higher at 73.67 cents U.S. Wall Street saw gains to start out the trading week, and that included the Dow Jones up by 72 points, 0.2%. The S&P 500 gained 12 points, and the Nasdaq 0.6% higher. One of the better performing stocks on Wall Street were shares in Tesla that gained nearly 5.5% ahead of their investor day on Wednesday. And it's also been announced that they may get $300 million in tax abatements by the U.S. government over 2 decades to expand a facility in northern Nevada. And more retail earnings on the agenda this week, including that from Lowe's, after their competitor Home Depot reported earnings earlier this month, and they pointed towards a pullback in revenue, which led Wall Street to sell off. That wasn't the case for Lowe's today. Their shares ended up higher by 1.3%. At the City News Business Center, I'm Ari Rabinovich.
Have you heard about Cholesterolest from Healthology? Cholesterolest is a natural health product that not only helps lower cholesterol, but also helps to maintain and support your cardiovascular health. Cholesterolest can be found at your local health food store or visit myhealthology.ca for more information.